What did you hear about Gwagwalada? When you think of nature and grandeur, then Prime Boulevard Estate is for you. This estate is a buy and build residential estate that can boast of the best amenities as well as return on investments. This estate has the best topography that you can think of. It is 100% dry land and it is completely free of erosion. Prime Boulevard Estate is situated in the center of Gwagwalada and it is in close proximity to the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, to the Specialist Hospital and to the University of Abuja. With 500,000 naira initial deposit, you can grab on this offer and then spread the balance within 3 to 12 months. Send a DM today or call the numbers below. Do not miss out on this opportunity. I cannot wait for you to be my neighbors.